Hi everybody, today I am going to show you this slide animation by using PowerPoint presentation. So let's start. First of all, we go to design, then select format background and change the color of the blank sheet, this one. Now go back to the home and pick a hexagon shape, drag over the blank slide and change it style from format, this one, and remove the shape outline from shape outline. Then pick another hexagon smaller in size. Then we need a one rectangle. I resize a bit. Then I pick a rectangle on the top. Then select both the shape by pressing Ctrl and left click and go to the format, merge shapes and make it union. Then change it style. Then insert a text box. There I am typing step 1. Select it by pressing Ctrl A, change it font to Arial Black, resize it. And then resize a bit and make it middle. Then insert another text box. Here I am typing add some text here. Select it by pressing Ctrl A, change it to uppercase, make it middle, bold and increase its size. Then it's time to color the shapes. For this I select a hexagon, then go to the format and click on the smaller icon, then gradient fill. So I choose red color which is already there. I delete 2 ribbons and drag this ribbon to right side to increase the density of red color. Then change the I select a shadow, this one, increase blur to 15 and change the color of the shadow to red. And from format go to shape outline and remove its outline. Now change the color of the text, make it to red. Then our figure is ready. Now we select all 4 elements and press Ctrl G to group them and make copy of the previous shape. We make 3 more copy. Then go to the format, select rotate option and make it flip horizontal, and same process for last one. Then change the step number in all figure. In second figure I make a step 2, and third one step 3, and fourth one step 4. So now change the color of all rest of hexagons. For second one I chose green. For third one, first of all I change the color of the shadow and again I remove the outline. Same process will repeated for the next 2 shapes, and I make its text green. We need to repeat the same process with last 2 shapes, so I make it faster to save your time. After all, we have 4 group of shapes. Now it's animation time. For this you have to ungroup all the shapes. Right click on the shape and select the option ungroup and make all 4 shapes ungroup. Then select the hexagon of the first one, then go to the animation, select the animation, shape animation, and duration 1.5 second, no delay. Then next element, fly in option, select effect from right, start with the previous, duration 1 second, and delay 0.5 second. Then add animation to the step 1. For this we choose expand animation. This is start with after previous, then add animation in last element, and same animation also added to this, start with previous, duration, and now we have to add animation in rest of 3 shapes. So we use this animation painter tool. For this you have to select the element on the and then click on animation painter and then copy the animation and paste it. Then we select with after previous, then again select this element, click on animation painter tool, then paste it, and change the effect from left. Then we copy the step animation, the animation which is used for step 1. Then we click on the 4th element and then animation painter, then paste it. In this way we have to copy all animation. We have to apply all the animation to all shapes, so I make it in a faster way to save your time. This is last effect we are adding. Now our animation work is completed. It's time to watch slideshow. So let's check the slideshow. So all the animations are working well. So guys, thank you for watching video and subscribe our channel for more.